anything.
Hey everybody, this is Eric for the Little Whitehouse. If you guys want to stay healthy, the way to do it is to get out here and walk in nature, exercise.
That's a rusty old chain, isn't it?
We catch this kind of stuff out here on the trail. It's kind of neat. The old tree fell down and right over the trail. We didn't even have to do anything, but it's a neat sight. In fact, I remember walking out here when that tree hadn't fallen down. These are cool. I love watching all of this stuff in the forest. This has been an open orchard for a long time, and now they're gonna fence it in. But there's 2 rows of peach trees right there. Pretty neat to be able to be there, or to be able to see these as they grow. He comes for all kinds of paths in here. We put our phones on hiking mode, and we see how many calories we can burn, so we can try to keep the weight off from all the extra food we're eating staying at home.
Walk!
You're what?
Walk!
Abigail, keep moving. I can't. Well, we've almost made our complete circle. This is the other side of that dandelion field. That's the end of the journey almost. We're almost back to the car. Abigail.
Buckle me up, Dan.
Buckle you up what? Tortoise speed?
Put it up against the tree.
Huh?
Buckle me up. Tortoise speed. I don't want him there.
Well, I don't want him there either. Now, guys, for after all that hiking in the woods, remember, don't keep an eye out for ticks.